Good afternoon. Thank you for joining me for another office hours training. I am Crystal L. Gunn, your financial strategist, small business advisor, and life insurance agent. So it's long-term care awareness month, and I've been providing information and things to consider this month as it relates to long-term care and long-term care insurance. So let's talk about combination life insurance and long-term care policies. So hybrid life insurance policies, also known as combination policies, merge traditional life insurance with long-term care benefits. So these plans are designed to address two critical financial concerns. One is providing for loved ones after your passing, and then covering the high cost of long-term care if needed during your lifetime, right? And so how they work, hybrid policies offer a death benefit like traditional life insurance, but they also allow you to access a portion of that benefit to pay for long-term care services such as in-home care, assisted living, or nursing home expenses. If you never need long-term care, your beneficiaries still receive the full death benefit. So some advantages is the flexibility. You can use the policy for long-term care, a death benefit, or both, right? Cost effective. So unlike standalone long-term care insurance, hybrid policies guarantee a payout either through the death benefit or for care expenses while you're living. Unpredictable premiums. Hybrid policies often have fixed premiums, eliminating the risk of unexpected rate increases. So let's look at some considerations. Higher initial costs. Higher policies can be more expensive than a standalone life insurance policy. Again, because you're getting both benefits, right? So you also can end up with a reduced death benefit. So using the policy for long-term care reduces the amount your beneficiaries will receive. And that's also depending on what state you live in. Some states allow you to still get the full death benefit. Some states, like the state of Michigan, let's say you had a $70,000 policy, life insurance and long care. If you used 30,000 of it for long-term care, the death benefit would be 40, which is the remainder. And then eligibility. Approval may depend on your health at the time of the application, right? I'm a stickler and pusher for getting long-term care insurance and life insurance early so that it doesn't cost as much. So for those that are looking to combine legacy planning with the security of long-term care coverage, hybrid policies provide a practical and versatile options. They ensure that your investment is never wasted while offering peace of mind for you and your family. So typically, just depending upon you, your thought, and the strategy that you have, this may not be your only policy. But I'm a firm believer everyone needs a life insurance with long-term care and critical illness policies, right? So do me a favor. Think about you and your parents. First of all, do you and your parents have any life insurance outside of work? And second, do you and your parents have any long-term care insurance? Who will cover the cost of any type of long-term care or critical illness? Remember, that care may be needed before you turn 65, before you turn 50, before you turn 30. How will your finances be impacted if you had to pay for this out of pocket? Right? So, and we often care for our ill. It could be due to a car accident. It could be due to complications from pregnancy. It could be due to some major or critical illness. We often care for our family at home. And it's really commendable, but other options would be great. being a caregiver is really, really tough. And how does being a caregiver disrupt the life of the caregiver, right? So that support, that monetary support that you receive with long-term care insurance can provide for better care, which ultimately can prolong the life of someone, especially if it's a critical illness, right? It can also give relief to the family caregiver to pay bills associated with that care that's not covered under health insurance. It also can help to keep the family out of financial ruin, right? So, what is, you all already know, it's not rocket science today. What's my favorite thing? My favorite thing is long-term care. And I really like the hybrid policy, and I love the hybrid policy that um, I can offer through the Amazing Woman Network, my organization, which gives you the life insurance and the long-term care with no questions asked. And that is really, really huge, that there's no health questions, right? No health questions. Not one. Not one. So there's some people out there thinking, oh, I can't get any type of insurance because I have these pre-existing conditions. I got you. Reach out, right? Schedule a consultation. The link is below. And then what are we doing next? It's simple today. Schedule a consultation with me, schedule a consultation with me, schedule a consultation with me, so that we can discuss what you need, specifics to you. Somebody out there watching it has no life insurance. Someone else out here watching it knows, their parents or their siblings have no life insurance. Doesn't matter what state you're in the US, call me about this. We can get you this policy and set up whatever other type of policies it is that you need. We always think we have more time. And that's for everything. It's not just about these things, but it's for everything. We always think that we have more time. And in reality, we don't, for a whole bunch of reasons. We don't know the fate of what's going to happen today. We don't know, the hour or the moment. We just don't know. And instead of being reactive, we need to practice being proactive, right? So schedule your consultation with me today. Always remember to give yourself some grace. Keep striving for your next level. Never, ever, ever give up on you. Always invest in you. It's the best investment that you will ever make. And I guarantee you, you will never regret it. Share this information with somebody that you love, somebody that you care about. You never know what somebody's been asking for, praying for, looking for, or in need of. Don't be a gatekeeper. This could really help somebody save a life, prolong a life, whatever that is. Share the information. Thank you for joining me today. Again, I am Crystal L. Gunn, your financial strategist and life insurance agent, and I'll see you next time. Thank you for watching. I appreciate your time. Be sure to join me for the private online Q&A immediately following. The link is in the description. And if you haven't done so already, please be sure to subscribe to my channel and turn notifications on so you never miss this opportunity. Thank you again, and I will see you on the other side.